In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a social media app with Adalo. We'll walk through starting a new project, picking the right options, and getting your template ready to customize so you can focus on the features that matter most to your community. Start in your Adalo dashboard. At the very top, click the current app name to open the app switcher, then choose Create New App. This takes you into the setup flow. When Adalo asks where your users will access your app, you'll see options for different device types. You can build for phones only or for a broader range. For maximum flexibility, choose mobile, tablet, and desktop. This ensures your layout adapts across screen sizes and gives you room to grow without migrating later. Click Next to continue. On the template screen, browse the options and select the social media template. This template provides a ready-made structure with screens like feed, profiles, and post creation, which saves a lot of setup time. Click Next again. Now give your app a clear, memorable name. Pick something concise that reflects your brand or community focus. You can rename it later, but choosing well now helps keep assets organized. Next, set your primary and secondary colors. The primary color will drive buttons and highlights, while the secondary color supports accents and states. Aim for strong contrast for accessibility, and consider how these colors look on both light and dark backgrounds. Once you're happy, click Create and Adalo will generate your project. You'll land in the editor. Open the Components panel to see the building blocks available to you. Switch to Sections to view grouped elements and layout patterns, and explore features to add functionality like forms, lists, and interactions. This is where you tailor the social media template to your needs. Begin by editing the feed to match your content style. Adjust list layouts, card designs, and sorting so posts appear in the order you prefer. Update profile screens with fields your community cares about, such as bio, links, or interests. In component settings, connect buttons and inputs to actions like creating posts, liking, or commenting. Check the data collections that came with the template, users, posts, comments, and similar, and rename fields or add new ones if needed. This keeps your data clean and makes future filtering and permissions easier. Refine navigation so your main tabs lead to the feed, search or discovery, notifications, and profiles. Keep labels short and consistent. As you customize styles, reuse your primary and secondary colors for a cohesive look. Save as you go and use Adalo's preview to spot layout issues on different device sizes. With these foundations in place, your social media app is ready for iteration and content.